In this video, you will learn how to read this. A beat is a basic unit for measuring time. A meter is any recurring pattern of strong and weak beats. When the beats are stressed every 2 beats, it is called a duple meter. When the beats are stressed every 3 beats, it is called a triple meter. When the beats are stressed every 4 beats, it is called a quadruple meter. Meter is notated in music using a vertical line across the staff. This is called a bar line. A bar line is drawn between each group of beats in a measure. The music that is between the 2 bar lines is called a measure, which leads into the time signature. The bottom number of the time signature indicates what note will receive a beat. So, a 2 on the bottom of a time signature will mean that a half note will receive the beat. A 4 on the bottom of a time signature will mean that a quarter note will receive the beat. An 8 on the bottom of a time signature will mean that an 8th note will receive the beat. The top number of a time signature indicates how many of the bottom notes will be in one measure. So, this time signature is indicating that the quarter note will get the beat, and there will be notes equal to 4 quarter notes in each measure. This time signature is indicating that the 8th note will get the beat, and there will be notes equal to 6 8th notes in each measure. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.